Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Nice. Children, in the last class, we are doing that reading, that poem, beautiful poem, that is what? The rock and the bubble. Today just we will go through in detail what is written in that poem. So, write it down. We are to continue with the same poem, The Rock and the Bubble. The Rock and the Bubble. Can you tell me what is the name of the poet? That is Louisa May Alcott. Louisa May Alcott. Okay? Louisa May Alcott. This poet has written this beautiful poem, The Rock and the Bubble. I am just drawing that rock and the bubble. You can also draw that one, what is there in your book. That is there in your book, how beautifully it is drawn, that rock which is inside the sea and the bubble that is coming out of it. Just we will have a thorough reading of this poem to understand each and every line. Now I am reading, you just have a silent reading with me. Oh, a bare brown rock stood up in the sea. The waves at its feet dancing merrily. Oh! Exclamation. A bare brown rock. You can see that rock is inside the sea. Where it is? It is inside the sea. What is the color of that rock? It is brown. This rock is brown, bare, not putting any dress like us. It is open and it is there in the sea. You can ask me, ma'am, rock we have seen small, but when it is big one, that is hard stone. In simple, it is known as hard stone. This bare brown rock, it is there inside the sea. The waves at its feet dancing merrily. If you have gone to Puri, then you can mark in the seashore how the waves are one by one coming to your feet. Here is also same thing happening. The waves at its feet dancing merrily. If these are the waves, where they are dancing? They are dancing at the feet of that big brown rock. Here you can see, okay, how the waves are coming slowly and touching the feet, and they are dancing near the feet of that brown rock. And how they are dancing? They are dancing merrily, very happy, very cheerful, nothing to be worried. Then they are happy and they are dancing. That's why it is beautifully written, oh, a bare brown rock stood up in the sea, the waves at its feet, dancing merrily. Now come to the second para. A little bubble is very, very little, once came sailing by, and thus to the rock did it gaily cry. A little bubble it is very little. Okay, and it is now coming with the waves. It is coming slowly. And where it is coming? It is coming to that rock. That bubble is coming towards the rock. And did it gaily cry? That when it is coming, it is making one sound which is similar not to the cry of a child, but the sound which is which shows that it is very happy or cheerful. When it is making sound, it is happily making that sound. Okay. Now, what happens? Oh, clumsy brown stone, quick, make way for me. I am the fairest thing that floats on the sea. Who, clumsy brown stone, as the bubble it is moving, who is obstructing it? That brown stone. Okay, and bubble is telling, it is a conversation between the bubble and the hard stone. Bubble is telling, why are you obstructing? Why are you standing near my road? Just you give me the way so that I can pass on smoothly. See how beautiful thinking of the poet. The bubble is not getting the way to go forward. That's why it is requesting that, oh brown rock, you just move from my way so that I can pass on happily. And what happens next? I am the fairest thing. That bubble, it is very bright. It is telling that I am the beautiful one that floats on the sea, that is moving in the sea. So, don't try to obstruct me, just you give me the way to pass. Okay? Next, see my rainbow robe, see my crown of light. See my rainbow robe, see my crown of light. My glittering pearl, so airy and bright. See my rainbow robe, that is the garment. That is how the bubble is telling that I am putting one rainbow, 7 colors, very beautiful garment, and you are dirty, you are only showing your strength, but you are not so beautiful like me. And see my crown of light, how light I am carrying with me, and how when I am moving, how lighted the place is. My glittering form, so airy and bright, when I am moving with the 7 colored dress, and my shining is there, and when I am shining, the entire place it is lighted. But what about you, brown rock? See, this is the nature of the bubble and the nature of the brown rock. And what we are getting the idea, all are taken bath by God and all have their own strength. But now the small bubble is showing its strength to the very strong brown rock. So children, we are now to write the word meaning first. So many words are there which you don't know, that you write it down. First it is merrily. From merry it is merrily. Merrily, that is what? That is happy or cheerful. Cheerful. Next word it is gaily, that is there in your book, in a cheerful manner. In a cheerful manner. Okay. Next it is clumsy. Clumsy, brown stone. But clumsy, what it means? Clumsy. Clumsy, it means lacking in skill and not graceful in movement. Lacking in skill and not graceful in movement. That is clumsy. Then robe, rainbow robe. Robe, write down, long loose garment. Loose garment. Next it is glitter. That is shine brightly with the little flashes of light. Shine brightly with the little flashes of light. That is glitter. Shine brightly with the little flashes of light. Okay, so these are the word meaning that we are to do the practice. So as a whole, I think you have understood the poem, how the conversation is going on in between the brown rock and the bubble, and who is showing so much of strength. Yes, that is the bubble, but lastly, whether we will follow the bubble or the brown rock, that is been beautifully written by the poet. Whose character is good and whose character is bad, and whom we will follow, whom we will not follow, that is described in the last part of the poem. So children, your homework is to write the difficult words. Write the difficult words and read the poem. Whatever I have taught today, you are to go through that portion and you are to write the difficult words in the copy. That's all for today. Next class we will discuss what is more described by the poet. Thank you, children.